such a beautiful day to visit the market, Rosie.
I am very excited to see all the fresh vegetables today, Mother.
Look for the crispest leaves for our salad, dear. These ones look perfectly fresh and green, Mother. Remember to ask the price clearly, Rosie. Excuse me, how much for this block of tofu? Take your time, count each coin one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the correct payment.
We got everything we needed for lunch, Mother.
You did a wonderful job with the shopping today, my dear. Let's wash the vegetables well before we start the fire.
I will help you with the tofu and the water.
The soup is starting to smell so delicious. I cannot wait to eat this. Everything looks so fresh. Look, it is perfectly ripe and cool.
It looks so sweet and refreshing.
Enjoy your meal. You earned it today. Thank you for teaching me how to cook, Mother. That is the perfect spot for our basket. Everything is back where it belongs now. What a beautiful evening it is turning out to be. It truly feels so calm after such a busy day.
We should rest well tonight. Tomorrow is a new start.
Yes, I am looking forward to tomorrow, Mother. The garden looks very thirsty today. I will make sure they are well cared for. These flowers will look lovely in our kitchen. It smells absolutely wonderful out here. You are always so cheerful in the morning. It is because I am with you, Mother. Let us have a cup of tea before we start the chores. That sounds wonderful. I would love some tea. Life is so peaceful here in the country. I would not trade this home for anything else.
You are doing such a thorough job with the cleaning. I like everything to be clean and organized. The story of the forest sounds so magical today.
I love listening to you read these stories.
We make a great team in the kitchen. I am glad I can help you with these tasks.
The sky is changing colors so beautifully. It looks like a painting come to life. Do you think the stars are watching over us? I believe they are, shining just for us. Time for a good sleep after this long day. Good night, Mother. See you in the morning. The path looks much cleaner now. I enjoy making our home look beautiful. These tomatoes are growing so quickly. I helped water them yesterday, Mother.
I am glad we have time to walk together. Me too, Mother. It is the best part of my day.
Let us prepare a light lunch with the fresh greens. I will wash the greens for you. The broth is boiling perfectly.
It looks so nourishing, Mother.
Sharing a meal is always the best part of the day. I love our quiet lunches together. Well done, everything is back in place. The kitchen feels so tidy and nice. The evening air feels so fresh and cool. What are your plans for tomorrow, Rosie? I think I want to spend more time in the garden. You grow so fast, my sweet girl. I will always be your little girl, Mother. Let us get some good rest tonight.
Good night. I will dream of our day. The air is so crisp and clean today.
It is a brand new day full of possibilities. Walking here always makes me feel so calm. It is our special time together, Mother.
Let us make something simple and light today.
I will chop the vegetables for you, Mother. This meal tastes perfect today. Thank you for always cooking such delicious food, Mother.
Ah, Jolkine.
You are becoming quite a helper in the house.
I love learning all these things from you.
This is exactly where I want to be. It is so perfect here at home. Thank you for being such a wonderful daughter. And thank you for being the best mother ever. Sleep well. See you tomorrow morning.
Good night, Mother. I love you.